In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the risk and reward tool in Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly how to plot your entry, set your stop loss and take profit, and read the automatic calculations so you can make more informed decisions with less guesswork. Start with your chart open and look to the left-hand toolbar for the forecasting section. There you'll find two tools made for this long position for buy setups and short position for sell setups. Pick the one that matches your trade idea. Choosing correctly matters, because it tells the tool which direction is profit and which is risk. And it aligns the colors and labels accordingly. With the tool selected, click once on your intended entry price on the chart. That single click anchors the position tool to your entry. Next, adjust your stop loss by dragging the red handle. Think of the red zone as the area you are willing to risk if the market proves your idea wrong. For a long position, that red section will be below your entry for a short position. It's above. Place it where your trade thesis would be invalidated. Not just at a random distance. Now drag the green handle to set your take profit target. The green zone is your potential reward. As you move the red and green zones, watch the on-chart readouts update in real time. The tool automatically shows your risk and reward ratio, your potential profit and loss at those levels, and an estimate of the required shares or contracts to meet that risk. The ratio tells you how much you stand to gain for each unit you risk. And many traders look for a ratio that fits their plan, such as 1:2 or better. If you want to tailor the display and calculations, open the tool settings. You can customize how the numbers are shown. Select the units used for quantity, adjust default values like the quantity or risk display, and choose which labels and lines appear on the chart. Make the visuals clear and consistent so you can read them at a glance. When you find a layout you like, save it as your default so every new position tool starts with your preferences. As a quick recap, choose long or short position. Click at your entry, drag the red stop loss and green take profit to where they make sense for your setup. Then review the automatically calculated risk and reward, potential P&L and required shares. Fine-tune the settings to match your style and you'll have a clean, reliable blueprint for every trade you plan.